Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to change your Pinterest account password. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to simply tap in Open Pinterest application. Provide your registered email address. Tap in Continue. First, you need to get logged into your device by providing your current password. Tap in Log In. At the very first page of Pinterest, you can see Saved option. Tap in it. At the very top on right corner, you can see 3 dots. Tap in it. Tap in Settings. Under Personal Information, you tap in Account Settings. Tap in Password. Here, to change your password, first of all, you need to provide your current password, then go for providing a new password. Now provide a new password for your account. Retype your password for the confirmation. Tap in Done. Your account password has been successfully changed. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how easily you can change your Pinterest account password. Thank you.